I want to give you guys tools that you can use in managing pavement. Talked about the difference between asphalt and concrete. Asphalt is flexible, concrete is rigid, and that's why we have to do maintenance to our asphalt. One's rigid, you can build a bridge. One's flexible, depending on what it's sitting on, so it changes everything. And what it's sitting on normally is clay soil, which is very susceptible to water, gives us a lot of our problems. And then we talked about soil, and we talked about cement being used to treat the soil. You can explain the causes of pavement failures, right? Well, what made it fail? Full depth rehabilitation, and the fact that we can change the characteristics of the soil from a plastic soil, a pervious soil, a soil that takes on water and gives us problems, to an impervious soil, one where water cannot affect it. We talked about seal coating, all different types of seal coating. We talked about parking lot seal coating. We even talked about slurry seal coating. And how often are you going to seal coat it? Well, whenever it's in the budget. We already said that. Understanding pavement maintenance planning, right? You understand how to get value. It's just simply move the work forward. Be strategic. Think about, if I can do, what can I do in these earlier months? If the weather's good, you can do a lot of stuff in terms of paving.